Dr. Emelie Ilarde is an award-winning family physician, currently serving the Oak Lawn and surrounding communities through her practice at Lawn Medical Center. Working at a certified patient-centered medical home, Emelie brings true compassion and care to each of her patients at all ages and stages of life. As the newly appointed Vice Chair of the Board for Advocate Physician Partners, Emelie will help the organization as it continues to improve healthcare quality, safety, and outcomes for patients across Chicagoland. She has also been named a scholar for the American Academy Family Physician Leading Physician Wellbeing Program, with the aim to combat the epidemic of physician burnout she has witnessed through the years.
When I was younger, I wanted to be a CPA like my mother. However, in February 1981, my father passed away suddenly. That incident taught me resiliency. It taught me how to deal with pain, to overcome it, to take the bad, the ugly from it, and turn it into a beautiful, fruitful life. It was painful, but many years later I look back and I for sure would not be a doctor had that not happened. I've learned throughout the years that listening can be just as impactful as all the diagnostic testing that you can do. Sometimes listening for a few more minutes can really determine whether you need to order that important CAT scan or MRI, or even understanding may not be that there truly is symptoms. They might just want to be heard or understood, which is equally important in formulating a diagnostic and treatment plan for the patient. Mother McAuley was a very loving community. Before the age of 12, I had already lived on both coasts and internationally, had gone to a number of different schools. But when I came to McAuley, that love and support that my teachers, my counselors provided certainly instilled a confidence that has served me well over the years. Sister Marian Johnson was my advisor. She helped me to get into medical school. She also told me about the Congressional Award. It is the highest honor that Congress gives to the youth, and it's based on initiative, achievement, and service. And it was truly because of her that I pursued it, and she guided me along, and I received a Gold Congressional Award. I think not worrying about what the other gender thought about was really crucial. My peers, they were supportive, we were competitive, but it was a friendly competitive. It was really empowering each other and supporting each other to be our better selves. It's given me the confidence to pursue interests, to excel, to go beyond my comfort level and take advanced classes. It's really served me well at the bedside, in the boardroom, and beyond. I love that the Board of Trustees at Mother McAuley is uncompromising, that they truly think of what's best for the student, for the community, and they make decisions based on what they feel is right and not being influenced by what other schools in the area are doing. Which brings me to my yearbook that I pulled out. I was a little bit dusty, and it says, "Why Be Normal?" in Scape 87. And it's different from all the other yearbooks, as far as I know, because it is actually opened left to right instead of starting from the front and back. So it speaks to my class in that, be yourself, why be normal? Throughout my years, I've always felt the importance of service. I feel better about myself when I can truly help someone. It has been energizing for me. It's my why. It's why I get up in the morning. When I think about being on that wall, I still feel a little unworthy because yet I know that there's still so much more I would like to accomplish, many more people I'd like to serve. And that's just not patients. Those are people in my community, in my family, internationally, my peers, my colleagues. I'm honored that someone feels that I'm worthy enough to be on that wall. I know I've accomplished a lot, but yet I feel that there is so much more I'd like to do.